Procurement processes vary greatly depending on each company's structure and needs,
but generally include the 9 core steps.
All steps are equally important, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Please hit like and share this video on your social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss out on our future updates.
Let's start the video. Number 1. Identify which goods and services the company needs.
First, a business must identify its requirements for a specific item or a service. Number 2. Submit purchase request. When an employee or business group needs to procure a significant quantity of new supplies or services, they make a formal purchase request, also known as a purchase requisition.
Number 3. Assess and select vendors. With a clear list of requirements and an approved purchase request, now is the time to find the best vendor and submit a request for quote, RFQ. This is what the purchasing team sends to potential suppliers in order to receive a quote.
Number 4. Negotiate price and terms. A common best practice is to get at least 3 quotes from suppliers before making a decision. Examine each quote carefully and negotiate where possible. Number 5. Create a purchase order.
Fill out a purchase order and send it to the supplier. Number 6. Receive and inspect the delivered goods. Carefully examine deliveries for any errors or damage. Make sure everything is delivered as specified in the PO and that the quality meets or exceeds expectations. Number 7. Conduct 3-way matching. Accounts payable should conduct 3-way matching by comparing the purchase order receipt or packing list and invoice. Number 8. Approve the invoice and arrange payment.
If the 3-way match is accurate, approve and pay the invoice. Number 9. Record keeping. It's important to maintain records for the entire procurement process, from purchase requests to price negotiations, invoices, receipts and everything in between. For this purpose, you can get project management templates from www.pm2.biz.
Thanks for watching. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Wish you good luck.